What we're looking at today is this Batereia Power MC4 crimper set. Comes in this nice hard case. All right, it's got these nice crimpers, ratcheting. There's 3 different sizes here. I usually use the last one for a 10 gauge wire. They feel really nice. They're nice and heavy. They have a good, comfortable grip on them. I have another pair of these, and these ones are much higher quality. They do the job right every single time. They open up wide enough here to get the barrel piece, whatever you call it, in there, which is the problem I have on the other set. And these ones work perfectly. They come with these nice tools here for applying your MC4 connectors. And this has come in really handy for popping off. Sometimes the MC4s are really tight, or there's some kinds of MC4 connectors where you can't squeeze it on the outside with your finger, and you need to have a little tool like this to get in there. Renogy panels, one of my Renogy panels is like that, and I wouldn't have been able to get it off without this. So it's come in really handy. Overall, everything's really nice. The case is really nice. Keep it nice and protected. I highly recommend it.